What's going on, guys? So welcome back to another Python tutorial. So in the last couple of videos we built a few web crawlers. So the first one was how we could get the href attribute from any a tag, or basically the link from any website with any specific attribute it has. So in this case we had this class, and this class had this hs featured image link. So we could get the href and then we just displayed that on the screen. So in the last video we saw how we could get the image from any website, and then with the help of any specific attribute, of course. So we had this attribute, and then we got the source of that image, and then we displayed that on the screen. And at the end of that video I also taught you guys how you could use the yourlib.request module, and you could download the image with this module. Okay, so in this video we're going to be just scraping this website, webscraper.io. So you can use this website. So we basically will be scraping this, and so basically we will be getting all the links which are here. So e-commerce site with pagination links, so with pop-up links, Ajax, pagination links and stuff. So we basically will be getting all these links, and then we will try to crawl the page that will come. So this page, so right after we click on any link, so we end up getting here. So we basically will try to crawl this website too. So first we're going to need to get all these links, and then we're going to try to crawl the sublinks, which are basically whenever we go to this page, so whatever the links are present in this specific link. So let's quickly jump in today's video and let's start coding. Okay, so first let's create a function. Let's call it new crawler. And first let's dump in the URL. Make sure to use quotations whenever you are just sending in the URL of any website. So in this case we're going to use this. So let's copy and let's paste it inside here. So now we have the URL, and let's just quickly copy this section. Let's paste it in, and then now we need a for loop for, and now let's quickly see what we need to get the link from this. So let's use the inspector, and yeah, so as you can see the links are inside h2 tags. So first we need to get all the h2 which has this site heading class. So for that let's write h2 in, so soup dot find all, and what we need the h2 tags, and these h2 tags have class of, what was it, site heading, right? Yes, site heading. Now once we have the h2 tags, now we can create a variable link, and this variable would get the link that is present inside h2. So for that we're going to use this find. So h2 dot find, and what do we need the a. Okay, and then again let's reuse this variable, and link dot, we need the href, so dot get, and here we can write href. Now let's quickly print out the links. So now let's call our new crawler and let's run. So we have all the href from this website. Okay, now let's try to crawl each of the sublinks, so meaning that whenever we click on any of these links, so the page that we land onto, let's try to get the links from these pages. So for that what we need to do, so first let's create a variable link list, which basically will be a list, and this list would have all the links. So let's write here link list dot append, and let's make sure that that whatever we are passing is a string. So we're going to pass in the link. Now all the links from the main page will be now stored in this linked list. And so now what we need to do, we need another for loop for link, let's call it something else. So let's call it for I in linked list. Okay, what we need to do. So we again need this section. So sub URL, and then let's copy this section. Control C. Let's paste it in. Let's remove one quotation. Okay. And now we need to add this with each of the link that we get from the main page. So terminal, I guess this was the one. Nope. Yeah. I guess I have deleted that. Yeah. So now whatever the link we get from the main page. So as you can see, the href of each of these links. What was it? Yeah. So these have this. So // and test sites e-commerce all I1. So whenever we click this, so this part just gets added to this webscraper.io section. So now what we can do, we can just write here I stri, make sure that is a string. And so now we have everything ready. So now let's copy this, Control C, Control V, and here we need to pass in sub URL, source code, and all right. So let's create the soup again. Let's reuse the same variable. And now since we need all the links inside each specific page, so for that first we need to see what we have here. So again, Control Shift I. Let's go over here, and so we have H4. Yeah. So this caption has this H4. Okay, so this A tag has this class of title, so we can access that. So for that we can write for link or mini link in soup dot find all, and here we're going to pass the A, and then each A has a class of title, and then sublinks would be equal to the mini link dot get href. Do we use okay, so we need this underscore, and now let's print the sublinks. Okay, so our web crawler is ready. Now let's run and let's see. All right, so it has gone to each specific page over here. So starting from the home page, yeah, so from here it went to each specific link, and then it went to each page, and it scraped, or it has gotten all the links from these page, and then it just printed out the links. So yeah, if this video was helpful, if you learned anything new, make sure to like, and if you're new to the channel and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to remain updated whenever we post a new video. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Meet you guys in the next video.